Find the x and y intercepts of the polynomial function f of x equals minus 2 times the quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 5. Find the x and y intercepts. We'll have one y-intercept, and it is found by evaluating the function at 0. So it's always a relatively easy problem to find the y-intercept. We just plug in 0 for x. And we simplify 0 plus 1, 0 minus 3, and 0 plus 5. Then we multiply all that out. So minus 2 times 1 is negative 2 times negative 3 makes positive 6 times 5 makes positive 30. So the coordinates then of the y-intercept are x equals 0, which is what we plugged in, and the y value is 30, which is what we found by evaluating. Finding x-intercepts can be harder, but if our function is written in a factored form, then it's quite easy. And so that's the case we have here. We find x-intercepts by solving the equation 0 equals f of x for x. So we want to know when is minus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 3 times x plus 5. When is this equal to 0? And this is equal to 0 if this factor is equal to 0, or if this factor is equal to 0, or if this factor is equal to 0. So there's three ways it can happen. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 if x equals negative 1. X minus 3 is equal to 0 if x is equal to positive 3. And x plus 5 is equal to 0 if x equals negative 5. And so these are the x coordinates of our three x-intercepts. Minus 1, 0, 3, 0, and minus 5, 0.